beautiful. Well, insan, this is it. Well, I must say, this is very beautiful tonight.
English!
Okay, kamukha mo sa Angelina Jolie. Sige na. Well, insan, remember when we were kids? This was just, oh my God! This was just part of our dream, remember? Diba? You getting married, wearing a beautiful gown, and a hawk as your maid of honor. And look at us, the dream come true. Well, insan, let's just, not say Chester, let our parents be our model. Let's just, no matter how hard life is, just stick together, love each other forever. Thank you, and congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so